Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to give you a little rundown of what we've been doing during the month of May. So let's take a look, start out with where we're at right now. We are near Kingston, Nevada. We are boondocking in a really nice little area. Let me turn the camera on and show you what it looks like here. There's a really nice little camp, boondocking here for a couple days. We're going to be here for about another 2 or 3 days before we head out to our next destination. There's our truck sitting here, and we're got the solar power going, and we got the camp set up over here. Beautiful mountain scenery. It's very quiet here. We have a nice little stream that's next to us. We've been checking that out. Got the griddle set up. So anyway, let's start our video out with a little bit of Zion National Park action. So Val and I hiked up to about the start, as far as we could go without getting wet. How about if we say that? Because neither one of us wanted to walk around with wet shoes today. So we're back here at the beginning of Temple of Zenawawa. We're trying to figure out where we're headed next. So we stopped at what's called Big Bend. Here in Zion, and Angel Landing is behind me. I think this is what I'm going to call the backside. So it's right up here. I'll point the camera up there. Right there. That's Angel's Landing. Because I believe that all the climbing, this is it right here. I think all that climbing is done on the other side.
Are you from Florida? Yeah. Thank you. Run into there's an angry squirrel about half a mile up. Yeah.
We're at the south rim of the Grand Canyon. We're walking toward Mathers Point right now. And we're gonna spend the day here at the park and do a little hiking, walking around, checking things out. So we'll see what we can find to look at today. There we go. We're at the Grand Canyon. And how many steps down to the bottom?
According to our friend next to us, 39.
39 steps down. Those are big steps. Right there down in the canyon. Go hiking. So we have made it to Hermit's Point.
Rest.
Well, that's true. Hermit's Rest. It's a point.
It's a rest.
It's the end of the line.
It's a rest.
But it's a rest.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go check it out. So anyway, this is the far end of the Rim Trail. So we're gonna nope. So it's day 2 Overland Expo. Did you have fun yesterday?
I did.
And we didn't buy a whole lot.
Nope.
But okay, so off we go. We'll come over here and say hi to some friends and keep moving. So we're at Bliss Mobile and we're kind of checking this truck out. If we're looking to do some of the other traveling that we're planning on doing, we really need to have a rig that is more set up for world travel. This truck is legal in the US. Did we export it? All the emission equipment is basically shut off electronically. Then we can use whatever diesel fuel we want to wherever it is we travel. And then when you come back to the US, it's actually just a software modification is all it is, and it turns all the emission equipment back on. So we're at the Firestone stand, and we're going to get some of Pearl's Mini Donuts. Check this out.
Sorry, I could just watch your machine all day. I just want an iced coffee.
Okay, do you want to do vanilla creamer?
Creamer, please. Okay, I don't know who invented that machine, but that is awesome.
We're walking around the expo. I'll turn the camera around. You can kind of see what's going on. Lots of people. Matt's Jeep. No, you'll never find Matt anywhere near his Jeep unless he's... No, he'll be out on a skateboard.
Good
Hi, buddy.
Hey, I wore your shirt.
There's your shirt. She wore your shirt today for you.
I wore your shirt today.
About time.
Yeah.
It's so true.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk over here and shoot some video of Tyke's. This is our buddy Tyke's new Kingstar build. This is a Cruiser 10. Check it out. Love that finish. Everybody, this is Wilma. Yeah, Wilma. Val and Wilma are hanging out. Hi, Wilma. Hey, we just arrived at the Death Valley Visitor Center. We thought we would come zip over here to Furnace Creek real quick. Val's never been to Death Valley. We will, temperature went down. I already feel cooler. It's only 104 now. Next up, we visit one of Nevada's most hauntingly beautiful places, Rhyolite, a ghost town located in the Bullfrog Hills, about 120 miles northwest of Las Vegas, near the eastern border of Death Valley National Park. Rhyolite sprang to life in 1904 when prospectors discovered gold in the Bullfrog Hills. The town boomed rapidly, boasting electric lights, water mains, telephones, newspapers, a hospital, a school, an opera house, and even a stock exchange. And at its peak, around 1907-1908, there were 3 railroads serving the town daily. Rhyolite's population ranged from 3,500 to around 5,000 about that time. But the prosperity was short-lived. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake and the financial panic of 1907 made it more difficult to raise development capital. And by 1911, the local mine had closed, and by 1920, the town's population had dwindled to near zero. Walking through Rhyolite today, one of the most striking structures is the Cook Bank building, once an opulent 3-story structure built at a cost of around $90,000. That's about $3 million in today's money. It included time-locked vaults in the basement, Italian marble stairs, and imported stained glass windows. The Cook Bank closed its doors in 1910 as the gold mining boom ended and the town was eventually abandoned. And now its skeletal remains stand as a testament to the town's fleeting glory. The Porter Brothers store was another very popular building. In 1906, the hardware store was the go-to destination for Christmas shopping, which was due in part to its impressive displays that rivaled those of department stores in major cities. The store was also the largest employer of people in Rhyolite, aside from those working in the mines. And unfortunately, it too was not immune to the downturn that would decimate Rhyolite's businesses, and it closed in 1910. Hiram, one of the brothers, would stay in Rhyolite for the next 9 years, serving as the town's postmaster until the post office closed on September 15, 1919. Visiting Rhyolite is a reminder of the impermanence of human endeavors. The decaying buildings and emptiness of the town, long since abandoned, creates a unique atmosphere that's both eerie and inspiring. So if you ever find yourself near Death Valley, I highly recommend making the detour to experience this hauntingly beautiful ghost town.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed the little video, give you kind of an idea of what we've been doing this month so far in May. And we got a lot of exciting things that we're going to be doing in June. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget our website, gemvaltravel.com. And till then, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.